Hello there, Red Wing teachers. This is Tony Kashi speaking. In this video, what I'd like to do is show you how to create a Screencasc-o-matic account and record a video of your direct instruction. So the first thing is obviously going to Screencasc-o-matic.com. And if this is your first time visiting the site, you'd click on sign up. It's free. And then I would click on sign up with your Google account using your school or your at RWPS.org account. Going through, that should just be a couple of clicks, just letting them know which account. Then you would be logging in, and the fastest way is just to log in with Google and selecting the account that you want to use, which should be your school account. And then once you're logged in, really there's a couple of different options here. The one that I would suggest using is Start Recorder, and that's just using the recorder that's online instead of having to download it and use it from a computer application. The recorder online is the best. So if you click Start Recorder, it's going to take a little bit, but it's going to load here down at the bottom. If it's your first time using the recorder, you might have to go through and click through some rights of allowing your webcam or your microphone to be used, things like that. But once you go through those steps, it would be open screen recorder. And then what happens is it takes a little bit, but then you have the screen recorder options show up. So what you can do is you can adjust how much of your screen is being shown in the video. So you can do that from top and bottom, or you can move it from side to side there as well. And then in these options, you can just show your screen, you could just show your webcam, or you could show both. As of right now, there's no time limit. It used to be a limit of 15 minutes. Now there's no time limit at all. This is just showing the size that you have, and this is showing that the microphone is working. I would advise against having computer audio on there. That's a little bit harder to navigate through. So once all that is done, you just press record, and then it would give you a countdown here, and then you would start recording your video, whether that would be showing students how to do something online, or writing something on a smartboard slide, or whatever it may be. You can go ahead and do your video, and then once you are done, you'd click pause, and then up here you could just play real quick what you have. You can throw it away, start over again, and once you're done, obviously you'd click done, and then you have a couple of different options here. It would be save and upload is what you would like to do. And then the two things that I would do is you would either save the video file on your computer or upload to YouTube. Uploading to YouTube would probably be the fastest and the most efficient. Sometimes when you download video onto your computer or Chromebook, things start to slow down. So you would type in the title right there, and you can do tags or a description of what you would like or what the video is all about, and then you would publish that to YouTube. And as this is going, it's encoding and uploading. For a shorter video like this, it's not going to take too long. Then at the end, probably the best thing is just to open the upload. You could do a whole bunch of things. You can share it on all these different sites. You could just copy the link. I think the best way is to open the upload on YouTube. Then you would be able to see your video once it finishes uploading here. You can copy and paste the link to use in other ways, which I'll show you in another video. But hopefully this will help you get started on how to create videos with Screencasc-o-matic.